So it all started in Tulsa, Oklahoma, several years ago. We went on a lean exposure tour. Now, I've learned a lot by going out and seeing things, so we decided we'd bring people with us, a bunch of people. We took a bus down to Tulsa and visited Tulsa Tube Bending and McElroy Products. We want to go see their meetings and what they did and how they're doing lean and employee engagement.
It's amazing what happens when you let go and wash and engage. Because I've always wanted healthy people, healthy organization, and empowering. And I've seen some tough places. Well run, very clean, operational excellence, but hard places that I would not want to work. I want people to go home. They spend so much of their time at work. I want them to be able to solve problems, be creative and all. Because I know when you go home, you're going to take that home. And healthier families create healthier communities. Healthier communities create healthier cities and beyond. My passion is bring glory or dignity back to manufacturing in America.
It's probably not the first time it's been used, but I love the phrase, love the thinking, and it's really important to me.
When I think about restoring glory and dignity to manufacturing, I think about how when we're young kids, we play, we build, we grow, and then somehow after that we get into school and we think that manufacturing's below us. In no way, shape, or form is creating, is making below us. I just love the idea that we restore glory and dignity to that manufacturing, the making of things. And I love that so many efforts are being made across the United States to do that. When I think about a movement like restoring glory and dignity to manufacturing or work in general, it is not a one company issue or a one leader issue. You know, it's what I love about it is there's so many companies and so many leaders pouring out together to that movement. And shoulder to shoulder, pushing against all the forces that are bringing work down or are challenging and destroying the glory and dignity in it. So it'll take all the effort from so many people, and it allows us to partner side by side with others to do it.
What can happen if all these companies unite in employees and create healthier communities? It is so rich and so rewarding.
So you're probably already seeing the Glory and Dignity hashtag. And if you go in, I would love to tag all pictures or videos, anything that you're doing. I would love to hear from you, the stories of how you're doing that. I would love to be partnered side by side, shoulder to shoulder, so we can celebrate each other, uplift and encourage each other, and go forward and restore glory and dignity into manufacturing and work as a whole.